Welcome back, everybody. It's allergy season, my favorite time of year, and we have another part because we're a bit long overdue for this. I'm sorry, I unboxing sickled it already, but yes, we got a motherboard for our computer that we're building. You may have forgotten about that, but I didn't. It's taken a while, but we're working on it. Oh, look, color change, very nice. Oop, darker, lighter, darker, lighter. I hate this little thing. I don't know how to change it, but I'll figure it out eventually. So, this is a MS1 motherboard, the mother of all boards. There it is in its wonderful little package wrapping. Looks kind of the same as you just saw it a second ago. Okay, flip it over. Be super nice to it. Okay, let's take this out of the bag, see what we can do with it. I'm not going to use you unboxing the sickle. It's too delicate of an operation. So, I know not to touch the back of this, because that's where the pointy things are that stab you, and also will ruin it if you touch the back of it. But we will take it out front. Sir? Sir? Come on, please. I need this. Give. Oh, we're back. Okay. I'll grab it like this. There we go. Come on, bag. Get up there. Yep, thank you. Okay, and set it down gently. Wearing the panda bear. No. Wearing the... Okay, we're back. Now, what I see here, this is the graphics card slot, memory card slot, CPU slot. Somewhere in here is a sound card slot. There's the system fan slot. I've been watching a lot of like PC build videos on YouTube and such, just to make sure that I know what I'm doing, that I don't screw up horribly. Because you know that's entirely possible, so I don't really want to do that at all. We're going to try and keep this as nice as possible, and hopefully this computer lasts us as long as possible. What are you, you weird little thing? I don't know what that is, but it's cool. Yes, we're still waiting on the power supply. We're waiting on a few other things as well, such as the fans, the actual CPU, that's kind of important. And I think also the... I want to get an SSD for it, so that's it. But yeah, this is the MSI Z270-A Pro. Yeah. MSI. Yay. Okay. And quick update otherwise. Other things. Other stuff. I got a bunch of little camera rigging equipment and stuff, so that should be fun. This was only like $20 on Amazon. I'll leave a link to it in the description. But it was pretty cool. We'll have a lot more options for camera rigging and stuff, so we'll be able to use the GoPro more, even though it's kind of technically worse than my phone, but it has more battery storage, so that's kind of good. Yeah, otherwise, yeah, quick update, but thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next unboxing video.